Hi everyone, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And if this is your first time that you actually stop by and you check out these videos, well, don't forget to subscribe. That way you're not gonna miss anything. And today, well, we're gonna have a beautiful and excellent cocktail that is gonna be perfect for these summer days. Let me show you how you do a cucumber cooler here in Hey Bartender. So the cucumber cooler, super refreshing cocktail, you guys. Very easy to make. So the first thing that we're gonna need is obviously your mixer, and we're gonna need some gin. So we're gonna go for 1.5 ounces of gin. Go for 3/4 of simple syrup, and followed by 1.5 ounces of lemon juice. So now the cool part, we're gonna have 3 slices of English cucumber, and we're gonna muddle. Make sure that you break the actual cucumber pretty well, because you want to make sure that all the flavors are incorporated on the cocktail. You're gonna start getting some aromas out of the cucumber and the mix with the gin. It just makes excellent. Let's add a little bit of ice. And let's give it a really good shake. So now, the actual presentation of the cocktail is actually really nice. What you're gonna need is your cheese slider, and you wanna get a cucumber strip that you're actually gonna put it on the upper part of the actual glass. Fill it up with ice. Double strain. And top it up with club soda. And to finish it, pinch of salt. Cucumber cooler, everyone, for those hot days in San Diego. Salud.